This brand can be purchased through their website or on Amazon and is backed by a very good guarantee. The BioGS 2.0 model is a basic 4-stage floor standing air purifier with a 550 square feet coverage area, while the -A2 model can be floor standing or wall mounted and offers optional fashion plates that make the unit look like a painting when it is hung on the wall. The -A2 has 6 stages of air purification with a 5-speed fan that can be controlled by the 3-element air quality sensors when the unit is in the auto mode. It has a 700 square feet coverage area, while the A3 model has a 1070 square feet coverage and can be controlled with the smartphone app or with Alexa and Google Voice commands. They have a programmable mood light as well as filter options to customize the units to meet the needs of virtually any home. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.